If you told a gamer in 2001 that Master Chief would one day land on a PlayStation, they would have called you a liar. Well, it's happening next month. Xbox dropped its 2026 Games Showcase yesterday, and buried inside 30-plus game reveals was a moment 25 years in the making. Halo is officially coming to PlayStation 5. And in the same breath, Xbox announced it's pulling other franchises back as exclusives. Make it make sense. Here's what we know. Halo Campaign Evolved is a full Unreal Engine 5 remake of the original Halo Combat Evolved campaign. It launches July 28th on PS5, Xbox, and PC, with crossplay, split-screen co-op, and 3 brand new prequel missions called Operation Meteorite, starring Master Chief and Sergeant Johnson. PS5 players get DualSense haptics and PS5 Pro enhancements. This isn't a lazy port, it's the full red carpet treatment. But here's where Xbox gets spicy. In the same showcase, they confirmed Gears of War E-Day, one of the most anticipated games of 2026, is Xbox console exclusive. Not timed exclusive, full exclusive. No PS5 version ever. Same deal for Clockwork Revolution. So Xbox's strategy is basically, here PlayStation, have our crown jewel, but you can't have the new stuff. It's a flex disguised as generosity. Oh, and they also casually dropped Persona 6, a brand new Spyro game, the Xbox Series X 25th anniversary console in translucent green, and Call of Duty Modern Warfare 4's extraction mode. Just a normal Sunday. Xbox is playing chess while everyone else plays checkers. Send Halo to PlayStation to grow the brand, keep new IPs locked down to sell consoles. If Campaign Evolved pops off on PS5, expect more classic Xbox titles to follow, while the new stuff stays home. Master Chief on PlayStation in 2026. What a time to be alive. Drop a comment. Are you grabbing Halo on PS5 or keeping it on Xbox where it belongs? Subscribe. We've got WWDC and E3 season covered all week.